Asterisk, imagine this. You're cruising down a scenic highway, or parked under the stars in the middle of nowhere. But you're not in just any RV, you're in a moving palace, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Welcome to the future of ultra-luxury travel. Today, we're stepping inside what many are calling the world's most exclusive, most opulent recreational vehicle ever created. Let's dive in. Asterisk, from the very first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands absolute respect. This isn't your typical boxy RV, featuring the brand's signature tall, upright front grille, subtly reimagined. For modern efficiency, it's flanked by adaptive LED headlights that deliver that unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. Smooth aerodynamic lines, hand-finished panels, and a sculpted silhouette make it look more like a terrestrial yacht than a traditional motorhome. Whether parked in Monaco or crossing a desert highway, this vehicle turns heads and quietly declares one thing: uncompromising elegance. Asterisk, step inside and prepare to forget you're on wheels. Asterisk, the cabin is a masterpiece of Rolls-Royce. Bespoke craftsmanship, hand-stitched leather in your choice of exquisite colors. Rare open-pore wood veneers, hand-woven carpets, and polished metal accents that catch the light perfectly. Asterisk, the living area feels like a five-star suite, plush reclining lounge seating, panoramic windows with intelligent privacy glass, and a retractable entertainment system that vanishes when not in use. Asterisk, the master suite at the rear is pure sanctuary. A king-size bed with temperature-adaptive memory foam, an ambient starlight headliner inspired by the Phantom, and customizable mood lighting that adapts to your every preference. Asterisk, even the kitchenette and bathroom elevate the experience, featuring marble-finish counters, brushed aluminum fixtures, hidden storage, and spa-like touches. Everything is designed to make long journeys feel effortless, and every stop feel like arriving home. Asterisk, underneath it all, a sophisticated hybrid powertrain with reports of a refined twin-turbo, V8 hybrid, or even silent electric options delivers smooth, effortless power. The legendary Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet Ride reaches new heights with advanced adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive, allowing it to glide over highways or light off-road paths without the slightest disturbance. Asterisk, inside, technology remains beautifully invisible, just as Rolls-Royce prefers. AI voice assistants quietly control lighting, climate, entertainment, and even suggest the most scenic routes. Intelligent navigation considers weather and terrain, while high-definition cameras make maneuvering this grand machine surprisingly intuitive. Asterisk, it's supremely refined and engineered for absolute serenity, whether you're behind the wheel or simply savoring the journey. Asterisk, of course, this level of luxury comes wrapped in exclusivity. Production is expected to be extremely limited, perhaps just a few dozen to a few hundred units worldwide, all through Rolls-Royce's private bespoke commissioning program. Asterisk, pricing starts in the multi-million-dollar range. Reports suggest anywhere from $1.6 million to $3 million or more, depending on your level of personalization, custom artwork, unique embroidery, one-of-a-kind finishes. The possibilities are endless. Asterisk, this isn't merely an RV, it's a statement, a rolling residence for those who refuse to compromise, ever. Asterisk, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines luxury on the move. It's not just about where you're going, it's about arriving in absolute perfection, every single time. Asterisk, what do you think? Would you trade a private jet for this palace on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if you're obsessed with ultimate luxury, and subscribe for more exclusive reveals from the world of high-end motoring. Asterisk, until next time, travel in timeless style. This is the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Asterisk.